What if I told you that the next millionaire might be a teenager watching this video right now? Seven principles for teenagers to become millionaires. Before you roll your eyes, let's look at the facts. According to Business Insider, more than 30% of Gen Z say they already have a side hustle. And some are earning 5 figures before graduating high school. From Ryan Kaji, who made $27 million from YouTube at age 8, to Ben Pasternak, who sold his first app at 15, and Michaela Ulmer, who built a $60 million lemonade brand before turning 18. These are not fairy tales. They're proof that wealth has no age limit, only mindset limits. Today, we explore the 7 proven principles that can turn an ordinary teenager into a future millionaire, backed by psychology, economics, and real-life examples. Stay till the end. The last principle is something even most adults get wrong about money. Let's begin. Principle 1. Build the millionaire mindset early. The first step to becoming a millionaire has nothing to do with money. It starts in your mind. A 2023 Stanford study found that belief systems formed before age 18 can shape lifetime financial outcomes. Teens who believe wealth is possible. So what's the secret? Backhand index pointing right, learn to think in terms of value, not time. While others say, I'll work 8 hours and get paid, millionaires think, I'll create something once that pays me forever. Action tip: don't work for money, make money work for you. Spend 10 minutes daily reading or watching something about personal finance. Books like Rich Dad, Poor Dad for teens or The Psychology of Money are great starters. You're training your brain to see opportunities, not obstacles. Principle 2. Learn skills that make money. Here's the truth most schools don't tell you. Your grades might get you a job, but your skills can make you a fortune. According to LinkedIn's 2024 skills report, the highest earning young freelancers are those skilled in video editing, coding, graphic design, and copywriting. Some earn $50 to $100 per hour, all before they can legally rent a car. Why? Because skills solve problems, and money follows problem solvers. Meet Harvey G, a 16-year-old from the UK who learned coding on YouTube. Within 2 years, he built an app that tracks study habits and now earns $3,000 per month in subscriptions. The internet doesn't care about your age. It cares about your value. Action tip: choose one skill this year. Learn it for 6 months. Monetize it the next 6 months. That's the foundation of teenage wealth. Principle 3. Create multiple streams of income. If one income stream dies, will your dreams die with it? Millionaires always say, never rely on a single paycheck. According to CNBC, the average millionaire has 7 streams of income, not 1. Even as a teenager, you can start small. A YouTube channel that earns ad revenue. Laptop computer freelance gigs on Fiverr or Upwork. Package dropshipping small items. Beverage box selling homemade products. Or investing your allowance in ETFs or fractional shares. Example: at age 14, Corey Nieves started selling hot cocoa in his neighborhood to buy his mom a car. That business became Mr. Corey's Cookies, now valued at over $1 million. That's the power of small beginnings. Action tip: set a goal to build at least 2 income streams before age 20. They don't have to make you rich yet, but they'll make you ready. Principle 4. Invest early, even small amounts. If you invest $100 a month at 15 years old, by the time you're 30, with just a 10% return, you'd have over $35,000. But if you wait until 25 to start, you'd have less than $20,000. That's the magic of compound interest, or as Albert Einstein called it, the 8th wonder of the world. According to a Fidelity Investments report, people who start investing before 20 are more likely to become millionaires by 40. Example: Alex, a 17-year-old investor on TikTok, started buying fractional stocks with his pocket money. He now teaches 200,000 followers how to invest $10 at a time. You don't need to be rich to invest. You need to start small and stay consistent. Action tip: download an investing simulator app like Imster or Public. Practice first. Then, when you can, invest real money in index funds, not hype stocks. Principle 5. Build a personal brand. In 2025, your personal brand is more powerful than your resume. Brands don't just sell products, they sell trust. If people trust your name, your future business will sell faster, your ideas will spread wider, and your influence will grow stronger. Example: at 16, Charlie D'Amelio wasn't selling a product, she was selling attention. Today, that attention turned into $20 million in brand deals. Building your brand doesn't mean dancing on TikTok. It means documenting your journey, sharing what you learn, what you create, and who you're becoming. Action tip: pick a niche: finance, art, motivation, tech, or fashion. Post 3 times a week. Be consistent for 6 months. People follow authentic growth. That's your brand. Principle 6. Network with mentors and millionaire mindsets. You are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. That's not just a quote. It's backed by behavioral science. A Harvard study found that your income tends to mirror your social circle's average within 10 years. So if you hang around negative, broke people, you'll probably become one of them. Example: Lena Morris, a 17-year-old from Canada, started networking in an online startup group. 2 years later, she co-founded an app with a 24-year-old mentor, now valued at $500,000. You don't need to be rich to meet mentors. You just need to show curiosity and initiative. Action tip: join Discord groups, Facebook communities, or local entrepreneurship meetups. Ask questions. Offer help. Success spreads through connection. Principle 7. Delay gratification and control spending. Here's the hardest but most powerful truth. Becoming a millionaire about how much you make. It's about how much you keep and grow. According to Bankrate's 2024 study, 64% of Gen Z live paycheck to paycheck, even those earning over $4,000 a month, because of lifestyle inflation. You can't out-earn bad spending habits. Example: Warren Buffett bought his first stock at 11 and still lives in the same modest house he bought in 1958. He says, if you buy things you don't need, soon you'll have to sell things you do need. Train your brain to love saving and investing more than showing off. Action tip: follow the 50/30/20 rule. 50% for needs, 30% for wants, 20% for investing or saving. The teen who saves $5 a day they re-buying freedom. The Millionaire Formula. Let's recap. 1. Think like a millionaire. 2. Learn valuable skills. 3. Build multiple income streams. 4. Invest early. 5. Create a personal brand. 6. Network with the right people. 7. Master self-control. The truth is, every millionaire started with the same thing you have right now: time. The only question is, will you spend it scrolling or will you spend it building? Start today, because your future self is already waiting to thank you. Your journey to wealth begins now. Subscribe for weekly money lessons, because the next millionaire might just be you.